Hi class. Today we're going to talk really quickly about how to submit assignments through Blackboard because I got a couple of questions about that and it's not really that intuitive. The interface isn't as user-friendly as it probably could be. So I'm going to take you through that process really quickly. As you can see, I've got the student preview mode on in our first module. So assuming that I had completed my Flipgrid introduction and my syllabus quiz, I can move on to the chapter 1 assignment. To make this a little bit easier to read, I'm just going to minimize the table of contents. So you'll see the due date, points possible. You'll notice that all of our assignments have a 0 for points possible. That's because our grading system doesn't really care about the points as long as the work is being turned in on time and with a good faith effort. So we'll go through the material, assuming I've done the assignment, watch the video, I'm about to answer the questions, and now I have two options to submit the assignment. So one would be to click Write Submission, and if I click that, I now have a text entry box that I can use to compose my submission. Alternatively, if you have saved the file onto your computer in a .docx format, so a Microsoft Word document, you could click Browse My Computer to attach the file. My preference for these shorter assignments is for you to simply compose it in this box or to compose it in another program and then copy and paste it into the box, just because it's easier for me to get access to those if I'm looking on my mobile device. If you have any other questions about submitting an assignment, just let me know. I will say, if you go to browse cloud storage, you can in theory upload directly from like Google Docs if that's where you're composing the work, but it isn't as consistent as it ought to be, and it can sometimes be difficult for me to access those files. So again, I recommend for these shorter assignments just posting the material in the Write Submission box and then clicking Submit. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.